Hello. This video will show you how to use the system configurator on the website of Core Technologies. Right now you can see the window of my browser, and let's assume that you need a quotation on one URAC server. Just click on the one URAC server's catalog, and you will see the complete list of servers displayed or included in the catalog. If you scroll down, you will see the total number of servers in this catalog. We see 12 server models on 3 pages. You can find your product, the product which meets your requirement, by taking a look at the icons and checking for example, maximum amount of memory or the maximum number of hard drives you can install in the server. You can also use the filters. So if, for example, you click on this field called maximum number of CPUs, and you select one CPU and click search, the system will return the results for single CPU models. When you look at the description of the product, you can see that even one product in the catalog may include 2 or more models. Now let's reset this search results and get all the products back to the screen, and let's try filtering by some other parameter. Say we need servers, 1U servers with up to 10 2.5-inch hard drives. Let's click search, and we see that we have some models here with this parameter. Let's select the first one, the model called C1028RWTR, and let's click configure. The configurator window opens, and you may scroll down, and here, for example, I can choose between 2 models which seem to be very similar, and the only difference between these 2 models is that the second one has 2 10 GB network ports rather than 2 1 GB network ports in the pre-selected model. So we can click on this model, and you can see on the right side in the configuration summary panel that we have selected the model with 10 GB hard drives, with 10 GB network ports. Here you can choose the amount of memory you need on the server. So if you change the selections, you will effectively change the DIMM types you use, and you can also change quantity. So this server has 16 DIMM slots. You can choose 16 slots. Up here on top of the screen, you can notice that we have tabs. So let's click on the Xeon CPU tab, and you will see that we have 2 E5-2609 CPUs pre-selected, and you can change the selection of your processor to 2640, for example. And that's pretty much it about the CPUs. You can navigate to the next tab, and you will see the storage tab. And here on the storage tab, you can choose the hard drives which you need in your configuration. Say we will select 450 GB SAS hard drives, and we'll take 4 of them. And the moment we did this, there is a red box shown on the screen which says error. Please read the error messages. They contain important information. So what this error message says is that because we selected the SAS hard drives, we should choose a RAID controller, a SAS card. So this is what we can do on the server expansion tab. And here let us scroll down and let us choose this 12 GB SAS rate controller. And when we did this, some choices became active for us. Let's unselect this rate card, and you will see that the choices in the rate controller options block, they all have become inactive, and it's because we don't have any rate controller selected. Depending on what we select, different choices become active. So for this SAS 6 GB rate controller, we have some other options which may be unavailable if we select a different rate controller model. I selected 12 GB SAS rate controller now, and for this rate controller I will choose the flash backup kit, and if required I can use the caching software license. If you scroll up, you will see that this configurator allows selecting only one SAS card. So all other SAS card choices are not active anymore, but we still have a slot. And here in the summary we can see that all memory modules have been populated into the slots, DIMM slots, and we still have slots available for the rate card, for the network card, so we can choose dual port 10 GB Ethernet card. When we make the selection, we again see something on the screen, but this time it's yellow, it's warning, it's not critical. So we can ignore this message, or we can read what this warning message says, and it just advises us that we need to select some cables which work together with this network card. Okay, let's do this. Let's go to the next tab, accessories, and let us select 2 3-meter cables. We selected one, and the configurator knows that we have 2 ports on the card, so we can select the second cable, and now yes, the configurator is happy. And please remember that if there is an error message displayed, the add to cart button becomes inactive. Let me go back to the rate controllers and unselect the rate controller and scroll down or up, and you will see that I cannot click the add to cart button anymore, and it's because we have a critical error in the configuration. This basically means that our configuration is not valid. I selected the rate card again. I selected the flash backup kit. And we're good. So what we can also do, we can choose the operating system license, and after that our configuration starts to look pretty ready to be added to the quotation. So what I will do now, I will click add to cart, and when I did this, the new page opened, and this page contains the details of my configuration. So these are all the items which I have selected in the previous page, and these are all the items which we added to the configurator. Here it's important to enter the descriptive name for this configuration, and because in the same quotation we may have multiple systems configured, and here I will just type 1U server for the database, and here I can enter the number of how many systems I need. So let me type 3, and let me scroll down, and here you can see the generate quotation button. So let me click this button, and you will see that the new page will open. I'm logged into this system, so I'm not prompted to enter my username and password. So here I would enter the description. Now it's not the description for the system, this is description for the quotation. So I will just enter servers for Q4 project, and here I have only one option. This is where the goods will have to be delivered for me, and I will choose the delivery location and the billing location. And it's important for every supplier to know when the order may come in. So of course we would like to know approximately at least when you may need to place the purchase order. So let's say it's mid of next month, and here I have some projects. This is where the quotation will be saved, under what project. We may work at the same time on multiple projects. So let me click new project, and here I will type the Q4 project, Q4 infrastructure project. And yes, I will specify that this project may close by 15th December. If I click Save Now, the name of this project which we have just saved will be displayed in the list. And I can choose the currency, multiple currencies where assigned to the account. You may choose in what currency you will get the quotation generated for you. So from here, what is important is you just click this generate button, and once you click it, hold on for a few seconds. The system has done all calculations, all validations, and it displays a message that the quotation with this code and with this number has been generated, and you can see it immediately by clicking the link. So now you are on the quotation details page, and you see the total value of your quotation, and here you can see how much one system costs with all the details. And here you see the subtotal, and then if there is any tax applicable to this transaction. And you can also see if there is any discount applied to your quotation. Please note up here that the status of this quotation is not verified. We have just made the configuration, and when we did this, an email was sent to Core Technologies, and we will take a look at what you have configured, and we will make sure that there are no loopholes and there are no mistakes and errors in the configuration. And once we do this, we will change the status of this quotation from not verified to verified. Right away, you can download the quotation in PDF format. And here, the quotation is, I got the dialog to open or save the quotation, and because the quotation is not verified, you have the watermark in the quotation saying draft. And here you can see all the details of your configuration and the terms and conditions. And on each page you see the word draft. Close the viewer and just wait until you receive an email advising that the quotation has been verified, and then you have a binding proposal from Core Technologies. You can also send your questions or comments by clicking this link over here, and you can I need them soon. You can send a comment which we will also receive duly, and the history of your comments will be shown on the bottom of the page. That's about it. This is how you make the configurations, and how you generate quotations in Quotelligent, in our business-to-business e-commerce system.